Hey, what's up, guys? So I just flashed a new ROM, and it is Sax Kingdom Port R4, and this is the fourth release of this ROM. And so far, like I said, I just booted it up, and I've only been playing with it for about 2 minutes. And it looks like there was a couple problems getting into it. So first of all, you have to not agree to sending information to HTC, which is the last of the HTC setup screens. You can't agree to that, and if you do agree to it, it'll just send you in a loop. So I had to disagree with that, and I finally got here. Once I got here, there was a couple restarts that I had, HTC Sense restarts, and now I am up and running just fine. I was able to sign into Google and all that stuff. HTC Hub is working. So first of all, let's check and see if there is one bug that I remember being in this ROM. Actually, there's a few bugs in this ROM, but one of the bugs was that you cannot add certain widgets onto the desktop. Like the calendar widget, the Google Calendar widget does not work. I tried it earlier. As soon as I flashed this ROM, it did not allow me to do that. It's one of the first things I do, and as you can see, it's not there. So that's one of the problems, but all the other icons and stuff, they're showing up just fine. So that's one of the problems. But let's see what else has been added. As I said, this is release number 4. Looks like we have a slightly transparent pull down menu, and similar to the 2.1, which is you have your most recent applications up there up top, and of course we have our quick settings, and that has Sprint Hotspot, which I'm sure has been unlocked. I could be wrong about that, but actually no, it's not unlocked on this one. They actually downloaded the Wi-Fi app, so you're able to tether. And so Sprint Hotspot is not unlocked, but it's in the pull down. We have 4G, which works. We're going to turn that on now. That's just to double check. GPS works and is currently on. The icon is also showing up there. And you have a few other things on it. Total memory and all of your settings. And that's your pull down menu. Okay, so as I said, the carousel works just fine. So, let's take a look at some of the widgets that are available. And we're going to just take a look. And they have 39 widgets, and we got our clocks. We have a few other things, a bunch of clocks, a shitload of clocks. Wow. Okay, and then we have our weather. This is the old weather app, so or the old weather widget, I meant to say. And here's a few other things. And there you go. And if you wanted to get more, let's check and see if HTC Hub is working. And we're just gonna go ahead and go to the hub here. And I already previously signed in, so yeah, it looks like we're working just fine. And if we want to get more widgets, we can download them here. So that's working on this ROM. Obviously Gmail is working. Some of the other apps here are Facebook, because it looks like they tweaked a little bit with the Facebook and made it black. I don't have a Facebook account, so I can't really take a look at it. But and it looks like you have the OS Mastermind, which is kind of an update service application for the ROM. We have Super User, we have navigation, maps, and as I said, wireless tethering. XDA, which looks like it's been modded a little bit. Looks like it's green. So yeah, it is actually modded. So yeah, it's pretty smooth running. I mean, I don't really have any complaints with it. I just know that there are the few issues that I had with it make it not, I can't use it as a daily driver. I can recommend it if you use a different calendar. I'm pretty sure it'll work. And yeah, it has been modded. We have different colors there, so that's working. And yeah, so as I said, like, you may be able to get away with using the other calendar, which is the Android calendar, versus the yeah, so that works just fine. That shows up, but the other ones don't show up. So, and of course we have our 4G working at the top. As you can see, we're in 4G mode. You may not be able to see. There we go, focus. Okay. So yeah, so our 4G is working just fine. We have our Rosie at the bottom. Our Rosie works just fine. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the options on the lock screen, which is one of the features of Sense that's added to 3.0. And yeah, we have our weather, which you guys have seen me rock before on 2.1, one of the 2.1 ports. And of course they have others, and yeah, so that seems to be working. I went on and applied it, and we have our skins, and we have one. We can get more if we wanted to. Unable to connect. You need a network connection. I thought I was on a network connection. Oh well, I'm not going to worry about that for right now. I'm pretty sure it works, but yeah, so we got that. We have our skins, we have our scene, and our wallpapers. For those who are interested, our live wallpapers is HTC Sense. We have our weather live wallpaper. Let's see if that works. I'm pretty sure that doesn't, since the weather app doesn't work. I doubt this one works as well. Yeah, so we still got the pink at the bottom, and it drops out, so it doesn't work. So there are a few issues with the ROM, but there are some very good features with the ROM as well. Like, as I said, the 4G works, I mean, which was a problem for a lot of the ports. You know, 4G, having a 4G makes it great. Anyone who's in a 4G area, Wi-Fi works. Everything else works here. I like the pull-down menu is very neat. It looks very clean. Our Rosie works. We have some decent applications that are there. Our GPS works. It's, Google Maps work. I won't pulling that up, but it works. And most of our icons work. And there we go. So I'm just going to go ahead and show a little bit of the software information, as I try to do in each ROM. Sometimes I forget, but just so you guys can see what I'm working with. So it's Android 2.3.3. We have HTC Sense version 3.0, and software number there. And let's go ahead and check out more. PRI is 215. Let's go to more. And I'm still using the same kernel that I flashed before, one of the latest kernels. And there's the name of our ROM, Sax Kingdom version 1. It says version 1, but it's actually version 4. Why it says version 1, I don't know, but I'm very sure that I did flash version 4. And actually that was it before, when yeah, it's just there's a problem with it showing up as version 4. So this is version 4. So yeah, that's it, guys. It looks like it's a very, very stable running app. There are a few issues with it. I mean, if you want to completely if you're looking for a 3.0 port that's fully running, you probably don't want to use it, and I don't think there is one out there just yet that's without any bugs. And I'm pretty sure there won't be any running without any bugs, because it's not meant for the HTC Evo. But if you're looking for something that implements it, then there are a lot better other ROMs out there that are actually currently running stable, which are some of the ones that I reviewed. You can check out some of the videos on my home screen and or on my channel. So that's pretty much it. Very good ROM. Once again, Sax Kingdom Port R4, and overall nice ROM. Still a few bugs. Go ahead and comment and rate, guys. Look forward to hearing from you later.